Hi everybody, this is Steve and my co-host Ken.
Ken.
Yeah, can you say hi everybody?
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. We just had some supper and now we're going to show everybody what we got today at the flea market. Do you want to start with your new truck?
No.
You don't want to start with the new truck?
Where's my bag?
Your bags are right here. But anyways everybody, we got this brand new truck.
No.
We took it out of the box, of course, when we got home, and it's Old Axe from the famous Old Axe mining country. So I don't know if you guys have seen this one before. I haven't.
What do you see it?
It's a nice little transport, very delicate plastic. The bags, yep. Okay, we're gonna go into the bags. You gonna describe some of the cars we found?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do this one first. How about this one that we got?
What is on this?
Yeah, the rest is coming. Ooh. So it's a Melissa and Doug style wooden truck. And it's got these really cool nice job, Ken. Want to drive it? Yeah, that's lettuce. It's a vegetable transport.
No, put it over there.
Put over there.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, all the sides come off.
See this?
That's a pretty nice truck. Okay, what else is on board? Orange? Can you say oranges?
Orange.
Yeah.
No.
What are those? What are those?
Apples.
Very good. And this one?
Green.
Green lettuce. See, you can have it as a flatbed, or I'll give it about 3 hours before we lose all these wooden pieces off the side. Okay, so that was a highlight of one of the highlights of today. And then we got another Mattel Hot Wheels diving equipment truck. Ken really likes that one. Couldn't believe that one's only $1. Does the back one open? The transport's going to transport the transport?
Yeah.
Oh. Does it open, I wonder? No, this one does not open.
That one is open.
Yeah?
That's open.
Alright, we're going to get some of the good stuff here. They're all good. Anyways, we got a Pontiac Regis. Then we got an 07 Chevy Tahoe. And it's a search and rescue. Oh, good. We got a Ford Fusion police car. If you've been watching our videos lately, I've been collecting a lot of police cars. Do you want to describe this one? What's this one?
Truck.
Yeah, what color?
A green truck.
A green truck. That's pretty blue or dark black. We got a Ford F-150 Premier.
That's the green one.
Oh, yeah, that's a green truck for sure.
That's one the black one.
Yeah. All right, and then we got maybe a little shout out to Mr. Mom's Radio or Mr. Mom's Racing, and we got a minivan. I think it looks like the one in your case there, buddy. But at one point we're gonna race it. We got it for $1, even though it says 3 on the end or on the bottom. That one's from 1997. So pretty stoked about that one. Eventually these will be opened up and raced by Ken and I. Got a few more things. I'm going to save this bag for last. Stick around because we got good stuff last. We got the good stuff last, guys. I haven't done a video on it, but the other day at the thrift store, I picked up the Angry Birds knockdown game, so why not pick up the Angry Birds cars when you see them? So yeah, we got the Angry Birds, and the Minion, and another Minion. I should have got the other one. They had another one. Maybe next week. Okay, and then we have a Hot Wheels Racing Shadow MK, kind of like a Le Mans style car. Not used to filming this, but look at Ken with that truck. Good job, Ken. Then we have a Double Vision He-Man. Interesting place to put the engine. And this one actually has a hole right through it. Then we got an Invader. Tank. What else is in here, buddy? Ooh, we got our first funny car, not funny car, what are they, drag car? Drag strip car? That one's kind of neat. I don't think it's going to fit in the 6-lane raceway though. Then we got a Jet Threat. Pretty cool open wheel racing car. And that one's from 2000. We got a lot of cars from 2000. And we got Bling's Dairy Delivery. Big wheels, heavy car. That one's from 2006. Copyright on the back. And Ken, what's this one? Ken's a star at the flea market. He gets deals and people give him things. Someone just gave him that today. That was nice of him. We got a few loose cars. They might be able to challenge. Oh, he's telling his mother. Got another Le Mans style car.
Wow. What is that?
Number 12 car. It's a Hot Wheels. It's called Shadow.
Look, I got.
And then another loose one. We got Nerve Hammer.
Look, I got. Look at colors.
And then we got a boosted Dodge Daytona. Brown. Haven't seen this one before, so we got it. The roll's not too bad. And then for a big dollar, you get this really nice Corvette. And that's a Corvette C6R.
That's my one.
Yeah, and it's your favorite color too. We have a 1988 Buick Century, or I forget, Monte Carlo. I forget what they call these ones. The 2-door 80s. Uh-oh, you can get it. Then we have a 2001 Overboard. And another track scraper. That's what I call it. And that's the really low clearance. And that's called Zotic. That's it for that one. Alright, we got a few more things here. And as I said, we're getting to the good stuff now. So hopefully you've stuck around this long. Okay. That one's not $5. We got another Ford Fusion from the same guy. And can't wait to get my place idea racing. We're going to do that relatively soon, maybe after Christmas, because we've got a lot going on in the next few weeks. Cadillac, I don't even know how to pronounce that one. But yeah, it's funny, this one was $1 and the guy down the road, down the flea market aisle had it on for $2. So we were smart shoppers. Oh. Here. Hot Wheels scuba diving truck is going to be a popular one.
No,
And then we got Mercedes 380 SEL. And maybe another shout out to Mr. Mom's Racing and whoever
That's
I've been watching that's had these ones lately.
why.
But we picked up
That's
some Matchbox mint condition super
Yeah.
fast.
That's why.
Really looking forward to at least opening one of these, if not both of them, and racing them. So that one's the Ferrari 456 GT. And then the other one is a Dodge Viper GTS.
My nose hurts.
Your nose hurts. Well, you've had stuffy nose all day, buddy. You've had to blow it all day. Okay. And then, I guess our last car, probably isn't the biggest one, but then we got a super fast Volkswagen Beetle. Or, yeah, Volkswagen concept car. And that's when, 1995. Not much car art on the back of that one.
Uh-oh.
Anyways, thanks for watching us, guys. This is today's Hot Wheels haul from our local flea market. And Ken is trying to figure out how to take apart this car. Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye. We had a whole lot of fun. Oh, by the way, Ken, this is our first...
You get
I forgot.
this.
A little announcement at the end. I'll get this one. This is our first anniversary. December 2nd was the first time you and I co-hosted and made a video. So high five, buddy. It's been an excellent year. We got all kinds of new toys.
Look,
Ken's
look.
gotten a lot stronger. And his skills are just excellent. He's a stacker now.
Look me, Daddy.
Wow. Excellent job, buddy. If we had another toy, we could use them. So this is, as you can see his hand, he really likes it. If you wonder why our YouTube emoji is because one of the first things we bought. Wow! One of our first toys that we bought together. I thought they were pretty cool because they're really cheap. They're from the dollar store here, and they're friction cars. They just keep going. But this one's got a little broken tire. But out of one of my thrift store hauls, I got this, a bunch of Tonka truck stuff. Anyways, he went on his own and he figured out that he could hook it up to his tractor. So quite often.
Don't.
Okay, I won't drive through. You doing another stack?
No.
Oh.
That's mine.
It is yours, I know.
Back on it.
Put it back on? Okay. He's very particular about his trailers. He loves trailers. Trucks and trailers, right?
Look,
Whoa! That's so high, Ken. Oh, you can go even higher. Look.
higher.
Yeah. Oh. That's it, I think. Are we going to load them back on the truck?
No, it's still the tower.
Do you want to do the tower?
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh no! I want to make it.
We're going to have to start again?
Yes.
You want it taller? What if we do it the harder way? What if we stack them this way, Ken?
No. That way.
The other way, okay.
Oh,
Alright.
that's way. This was a stack.
Okay, that's the start of the stack. Watch your fingers, buddy. You're going to pinch your fingers. Ouch. Anyways, guys, this has been a whole lot of fun, this YouTube experience. I like collecting the toys. Ken while he's getting the toys. Ooh, that's a new one, eh?
No, away.
There.
Away.
Uh,
Away.
okay, you fix it. You fix it.
This way, away.
Oh, that's going to be interesting. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching this year.